Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by connecting directly or staying on the network. Direct Ethernet reduces interruptions. Once connected, make sure you have the admin username and password. Check the device sticker or documentation if needed. Next, open a browser and enter the router IP address, for example 192.168.1.1, then sign in. If your router uses a mobile app, open that instead. The steps are similar. This gets you to the control panel where SSID changes are made, so proceed when signed in. Once inside the control panel, navigate to wireless, Wi-Fi, or SSID settings. Routers vary, but the label is similar. Then select the band you want to rename to, 4 GHz versus 5 GHz, and edit each SSID if both broadcast. Enter a clear, non-personal name under 32 characters so all devices can find it easily. While here, confirm the wireless security mode is WPA2 or WPA3. Stronger encryption prevents unauthorized access. Save or apply changes to commit the new name. After changing the SSID, click Save or Apply. Many routers reboot automatically, so wait until the indicator lights are stable. Then reconnect each device to the new name, entering the Wi-Fi password if required, and update any saved networks. If devices fail to see the SSID, confirm the radio is enabled and the band is broadcasting. As a last resort, perform a factory reset to restore default credentials. But remember, you will need to reconfigure settings afterward, so use reset only.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.